circles, and today I'm going to show you how to make squishies. Now these are the ones I made earlier, now you get to have a go at making this up. Now let's get started. You need some flour, some balloons, a marker, a spoon. I need a plastic bottle, and you need to cut it off near the end. And you need some scissors to do this. Remember, scissors are very sharp. And you might need a pen to help you cut this. So first you need a balloon. Now, you need to blow it up a few times like this. And then, after you've done that a few times, you need to put this around the bottle, over the lid of the bottle. Now this might be tricky, so you might need someone to help you. Now after you've done that, you need to get your spoon and put the spoon in for some flour. Now you need quite a bit of flour. Now, you need to put the flour on the top of the bottle, and then you need to shake it down. Now try to get to the bottom of this, and then when you got to the bottom of the cup, then try again. But if you've done the whole bottle, I wouldn't do that. Just do a bit of bottle, and then get another bit. Now, this might take a while. Now, you need to make sure you fill the whole thing, and it needs to be quite big like this. You don't want to turn it out really squidgy and too small, so it doesn't have enough flour in it. Now, I shaped all the flour into the balloon. And now it looks like a squishy. Now I need to take the balloon off, and you need to knot it. I'm going to get to my dad. Now I need to put some marker on my squishy. You can do whatever thing you want on your squishy. You can even do an emoji like I am. And now I got my finished squishy. Bye guys, see you next time. Next time I'll be doing my slime video. And don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you like it, press the like button. Bye, see you next time. Hi, I'm Sharkus. These ones I made earlier. Now you get to make some for yourself. I totally forgot the line. I was like, and you also